sailing boats also have a kitchen on board. It's called galley. Cooking on a sailboat is part of a good sailing lifestyle. The galley, the kitchen, but in maritime words we say it's a galley. There's a gas stove with the oven and a lot of lockers here for the plates, for different stuff, caps, everything for 10 people, glasses. Here we have for making a hot water, wine glasses, coffee machine, simple one. So all the stuff is here. That's the fridge. It's quite a big one, as you can see. And this is a freezer. So we also have a freezer on this boat. So not only a fridge, also a freezer. Both are really big because this boat is built for 10 people. So then we have here the sink. It's like this. Fresh water. And here we have salt water. So that means if we wash our dishes, we have here a pump. Here down is a pump. If I pick this pump, here salt water coming directly from the water, from the sea. So instead of wasting the fresh water for cleaning the dishes, we use the sea water, and later maybe we can flush it with the fresh water. A bit spicy. It's a very small steak. This you put here.
工具很全，看到没有
If you have big waves, you put this here.
？Yeah.
Then you can cook during sailing.
看一下这个牛排。
Follow us so that you don't miss any sailing video from us.